Today we learn the first level. In this level we learn how to sketch a line and circle and rectangle. Okay, let's start. Now go to as a first lecture. You will get this window. Just we will go to this on this new. Just click new and just click. There are three options: part, assembly and drawing. As a beginner we will start as a part. After next class we will learn assembly and drawing. We will learn step by step. At first we will learn part, so that just I click part and click OK. Now get this window. In this window, at first click this front plane and click sketch. Now go to this line and sketch a line with this origin point. This is our origin point. Just click this origin point and drag it upper side and make it vertical line. If you want to sketch angle, you can sketch, but when you will sketch the vertical line, at that time we will get the yellow symbol. Just see yellow. When you will sketch angle, at that time you will not get the yellow symbol. When you will sketch this vertical, at that time you will get vertical. We will get this yellow symbol. When you will get the yellow symbol, at that time you will sure that your line is vertical, and just click and right click and select OK. This is the line. Yeah, if you want to make any dimension, you will go to this smart dimension and click this smart dimension and click on this line. Just go to this line, on this line, and just click and drag it right side or left side. Any side you can drag. Just I will drag right side and click and choose it. Suppose I will choose this 60 and click enter. Now our sketch is created. After that, right click and select OK. And after that we will click this circle and sketch the circle. Suppose I sketch, click and drag it right side or left side or upper side and down side. You can move any point. Just click and again right click and select, and again go to a smart dimension and make it. Just click on this circle and drag the right side or left side. Just click and make it. Suppose I will make it 30 millimeters and click enter, and go to this mark and click tick mark. Yeah, and again we will sketch the rectangle. Just click here. There are many rectangle: corner rectangle, center rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle, 3-point center rectangle. When we will sketch anything, just we will click on this. Suppose now I will sketch center rectangle, so I will click on this and I will sketch in this side. So I will click and push the left button of the mouse and just drag right side or left side, downward or upward or right side. Okay, just it will depend on you. Just click upper side and click right side and select OK. Yeah, okay. Our rectangle is created. Okay, in this lecture, just if you want to save this, just you will go to this save, this symbol, just click here and click save as, and just name, click your file name, just write your file name. Just I will write is level 01 and just click this save. Now it has been saved. Okay, thank you for watching for this lecture.